Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can buy UK number from this website rentsms.online. So first of all we need to create an account and we just need to click on this sign up, guys. So you can choose your username, your name, your email, your password, and you need to type your password again and then check in, right? Don't forget this, guys, and then create an account. So later you will just get an email like this, okay? And the verification code, you will just need to copy this one and pass it in the field that you get after clicking on create account, okay? Okay, and now let's go back to the website. You just need to click on login. You just need to put your username and write your password and click on login. And you're here. As you can see, guys, I already bought number before and use it for the last video. You can check it later, guys, in my channel. So you can see here I have like $4 in my balance account. I have one active number, which is this number. So let me show you how you can buy a new number, like UK number. Okay, so we come to this one, numbers. Okay, we need to click on this one, click on buy numbers, and now we need to select the country. Yeah, from here you can see all the countries they have. So they have like United Kingdom, they have Latvia, Slovenia, Netherlands, Germany, Austria. Like they have different countries, right? So we need to choose the United Kingdom. Just need to click on it, and now this is the number we will buy. Okay, so I need to click on buy now, and now, guys, you can see the price for 7 days. We just need to pay like $5.99. For 1 month it costs only $7.99 for this UK number, guys, and this is way cheaper than the other platforms. For 3 months you just need to pay 20 USD, and this is nothing, guys. For 1 year you can see the price here. So from here we can select the renting period we want. For example, now we can just take 1 week and click on order. Okay, you can see now, guys, that we don't have enough balance in our account. So now we need to top up our balance account. I will show you how you can do this. So we just need to go to add funds and click here. Now we need to top up the amount we want. I will just top up $10. Okay, so I'll just write my email here and click here. And now, guys, you need just to write the card email number, the expiry date, the CSC, and the billing address of your card, and later click on pay now. I'll just do this quickly and come back. Okay, and now, as you can see, guys, I have already topped up my account and I have 14 USD now. So let's go and buy the UK number. Just need to click here, buy numbers, United Kingdom, and click buy. Need to choose the renting period and click on order. Oh, you can see now this is our UK number. You can see here the active date and the expire date, and yes. So when you click here in this blue button, which is inbox, we can see all the SMS codes that we got to this number. And now let's try and open a Gmail account with this number and see if it's work or not. So let's write Gmail. Come here, account, and it works. Now let's take our number, by the way, this is UK number, so I need to choose UK, United. Where is this one? Ah, yes, here. And let's see if we get... Okay. Okay, you can see, guys, we just received the SMS code. As you can see here, this is from Google, this is our number, and this is the SMS code that we received from Google. Okay, so I don't need this account, guys. I just show you that this works, and you can use this number to create a Gmail account without any problems. That's all. So guys, we are finished with this video. Thanks for watching your time. So thanks.